Sithelo Shozi has responded to allegations that she is busy slaying and has neglected her mother, who is allegedly living in a two-room house in the rural KZN areas. This comes after one comment made by a user on Mapepandaba, the gossip page, alleged that Sithelo lives in a rented apartment and is busy slaying but neglecting her mom. And that story trended, you guys. This is what the troll wrote, and I quote: Mina admin, I want this girl to win because she handled her ex and his family with so much grace and maturity. The only problem I have with her is wearing all these designer clothes while staying in a rented apartment. Another little concern I have is that people are saying her mom lives in a two-bedroom house somewhere in the villages of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, after that story trended, I did a story on that and shared the story on Twitter with a thumbnail of a two-room house, which then led to Sithelo responding and saying that it is not her mother's house and that she does not know the house. And of course, guys, that house clearly does not belong to Sithelo. It was just a thumbnail. So Sithelo responded and said this: Okay, but ikabani lana, meaning then whose house is it? Because clearly she does not know the house. Many people on social media did come out to clarify that Sithelo comes from a very wealthy family and that they're actually very well off, that there is absolutely no way that that rundown house belonged to Umawake. That's it for this update, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.